Hi guys, this is Matthew, and today is 1st of September 2025. 1st September 2025. So today is 1st September 2025. Here we're going to be trading the boom 300 index, and we'll be dropping 6 strategies across all the channels today. So once you log into your trading account, go to Trader and click on boom 300 index. Boom 300 index 755. I spotted that number there, so I click on buy right there. The number has to be between 700 to 800. So you can see we won that trade right there. We're going to trade one more time. So let me explain how this works to you. Once this rebound so fast, don't place any trade. You have to wait a little bit, maybe for a few minutes, 5 minutes or there, because it's still up. It can go down with full speed. You can see the way it goes right up here from this spot. So once you log in, go to boom 300 index, then click on accumulator. You can only trade accumulator and multiplier when trading the boom or crash. Click on accumulator, then click on the growth here, click on 3%. Then the stake right there, you're going to enter the amount you want to stake. In this case, I'm staking 20. I'm staking 20. Then the take profit, set it to 4 USD. So the number, like I said earlier, it has to be between 700 and 800. That's why I quickly placed that trade, because I saw 707 right there. It has to be between 7. You can see we won that trade. The last 3 numbers there, it has to be between 700 and 800. If it's above 800, don't place the trade. If it's 801, don't place the trade. It has to be between 7. Now you can see it has rebounded. It pushed up a little with speed, so you have to wait for a while before you place your trade. Maybe after 2 minutes. Don't place your trades fast. You have to wait for a while before you place your trade. So the number has to be between 700 and 800. That's 750. Don't place your trade now because it's just rebounded. Let it stay there for a while, for like a minute or thereabouts. So let's place one more trade. Let's wait. After a minute, we're going to place the last trade. That's the 99.47, 971. So you have to be ready between 700 and 800. That's 738. That's going to be our last trade. So you can see we won the trade right there. We won the trade. That's going to be it for today. And for those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator, we're still giving it away for free. We're still giving it away for free. It works on Deriv and other MT5 broker platform. You can use to trade your Forex pairs, your crash and boom and whatever, and the volatility as well, and the Toscaper board as well, the Pips Super boards. They work on Deriv. They are automated. When you order any of these, you get the indicator for free. When you order the indicator, you get all the boards for free. The Pips Super board is 7.99. The Toscaper board is 9.99. They work on Deriv and they're automated. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels. The infos are right here. To get the indicator for free, I mean the buy sell indicator, to get it for free, sign up for a free trading account using this link in the video description on YouTube. Then subscribe to all this channel. This is the first channel, and this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all the channels. Then send an email with the subject free indicator to this email address with the last 3 digits of your account. Once we confirm your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. For those who already have a trading account, here is a link to order the indicator for $12. And the Pips Cheaper board, the Toscaper board, the links to order them are there in the video description on YouTube. For those who don't have a trading account, there is a link to sign up for a free trading account to test all these strategies on demo. And these are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and that's the third channel. There are other infos as well that might be useful. Check the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.